I just bought this massive pile of 24 RV accessories, and 15 of them were under $4. But the highest priced item in this pile was just $9.89. Oh, and I saved 30% off of those prices. Cha-ching! Coming up, I'm gonna tell you where I bought all of these things. And I also have a 30% savings discount code for you to save too. So stay tuned for that. I haven't opened any of these things yet because I wanted to open them with you. Because I don't always believe that cheaper is better, but at these cheap prices, I had to find out. So let's find out together. Which one should I open first? Let's start right here with this guy. What's inside here? What's it gonna be? It's the foldable spatula that I ordered. I thought it'd be really fun to have a foldable spatula so it doesn't take up much storage space in my small camper. But it is a little smaller than I had anticipated. But it's definitely big enough to flip a burger. The foldable spatula was $3.59 when I bought it. Okay, let's open our next box. Let's open this package next. Oh, these guys are the refrigerator side door storage boxes. There's not much of anything to them, but I think that they're gonna be really convenient for putting in the side door of my camper's RV refrigerator to keep things in place. So this will help keep me organized. And I paid $1.68 for one of these. Okay, I'm dying to see what's in this package. I think it's gonna be easier to show you all the stuff if I remove my massive pile out of the way, then I can better show you each item individually. Okay, I think this is gonna be easier to show you everything. Okay, I have no clue what this is. Oh yeah, I remember. These are the collapsible food storage containers. There's the biggest bowl. And the middle-sized bowl, and this guy is the smallest size bowl. They come with covers. I wonder what's inside of here. Ooh, it came with a plastic fork and a plastic spoon. Okay, you're supposed to put the spoon or the fork into this handle. And let's do the fork too. And that's the fork. That's pretty clever. I don't really know if I'm ever gonna use these, but I will definitely be using the collapsible bowls. This item right here was the most expensive item that I bought, and this cost $9.89. Okay, let's open this guy next. What is it? Oh yeah, this is a mesh plastic bag holder. I thought this would be really convenient to keep in the camper so that I could store all the plastic bags I get from the grocery store and that in this little storage bag. And it's got a handle here for you to hang it on something. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty convenient. Can you see the hole on the bottom? So you put the bags inside and then you can pull them out down there. Yeah, that's pretty handy. And this was $1.19 when I bought it. Let's open this one next. Oh, this is a camping travel storage bag. It's got a handle up here to hang it on things. Quite a bit of space in there to store things. So far, this is my favorite thing. As I'm showing you all these things, let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. This is definitely gonna come in handy for storing things and to help me keep organized. And I paid $3.38 for this storage bag. All right, let's open this guy next. This is a travel toothbrush case, and it's got a cute little bunny on it. Okay, it's a much larger than what I had anticipated because I think the idea is that you can keep your toothbrush and your toothpaste in here, so that would be handy. And it's made out of plastic, and it's nothing special, but it certainly is functional. This cost $3.28. Okay, what should I open next? All right, let's open this one. It's a travel knife, fork, and spoon set. I decided to buy this because it was made out of wheat straw instead of plastic. But now I gotta figure out how to open it up. Oh, like that, it opens up like that. There's the knife, and the spoon, and the fork. Yeah, I do like that you can connect them all together. And these came in a variety of colors too. I paid $2.48 for these. I think I might order a couple more of these. This now might be my first favorite thing. I'm giving this one a thumbs up. All right, let's open these up next. Oh, I think I know what these are. These are silicone placemats. I got 2 of them. I thought these placemats would be really handy in our camper or when we're eating outside on the picnic table. And the reason I was impressed with them is because they're silicone, so they're easy to wipe down, and look at how thin they are. So they're gonna be easy to store in the camper. Each one of these was $3.08. Okay, what's next? This is a wall hanging storage bin. I just finished doing a video where I talked about how we can use our walls for storage, and that's why I got this guy. Comes with this to hang it on. You could fit quite a bit of stuff in there. And this was $2.08. Okay, let's open this next. Oh, these are travel spice containers. Oh, okay, so it's got the lids that you pop open here. Can you see that? So this would hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different spices. And it looks like to fill it up, you just pop open the top. And then you fill in your spices there. And it comes with these labels that you can use too. This spice container was $3.09. Oh my gosh. These are little ketchup and mustard holding containers, but they're much smaller than I thought they were gonna be. Look at how tiny these are. Oh my gosh, I don't know. These might be too tiny to really be practical. Maybe for a single use. What do you think? Maybe that's why 2 of them came in a set. Yeah, you're not gonna fit a lot of ketchup or mustard in these guys, but they're kind of cute. These 4 containers were $2.24. I'm probably not gonna use them. I think that they're just too small to be really practical. But the nice thing about this company is that you can return anything for a full refund within 90 days. So these guys will probably be going back. We're about halfway through the pile, but before I open any more, I wanted to let you know where I got these things. It's a company that I just recently heard about, and it's called Temu. They have an online store, but they also have an app that you can use to buy things on. And they sell everything you could possibly imagine. I'll leave my Temu affiliate link in the top comment below, also in the video description below, because when you use my affiliate link, you will save 30% off your very first order. Okay, let's open the next item. It's a 7-piece wheat straw dinner set. These would definitely make a very nice set of dishes for a camper. I like that it's got a little bit of an edge here. And I paid $6.69 for this set. Okay, let's keep going. This is a portable travel clothesline. Okay, let's figure this out. So I assume you attach this to something. I'm trying to figure out how do you keep this together. This one's got me a little baffled because right here, I'm assuming is where you pull the line out, but then this doesn't stay together. Because it doesn't, okay, oh, they're closed. So you just pull out the string. I think this could be really handy when you're RV camping and you've got swimwear or wet clothes that you need to hang up to dry or anything else. That's pretty slick. And I paid $4.48 for this. These are stick-on travel trash bags for your car or your truck. I thought these would be perfect. So you have an easy and convenient place to put your trash when you're traveling down the road or on all your camping trips. So there's an adhesive strip that you peel off like that. And then this part sticks to anything you stick it to. I'd never heard of anything like this, but it just made so much sense to me. Happy every day. And it's nice that it came with, you know, it's a little plastic bag, but at least it's a bag to keep your trash bags in. I paid $2.08 for 15 of these bags. I think these are definitely gonna be useful. All ready for traveling. Okay, I wonder what's gonna be inside this box. It's a refrigerator storage box. This is the perfect size for a small refrigerator. And because they're see-through, I'll always know what's inside. Yeah, that's a nice size. It's made to store food, but obviously you could store anything in these guys. And this was $3.68. This is a linen waterproof storage bag. It's pretty lightweight, but you can store lots of things in here. And it's got some handles on it too. Storage containers are definitely our best friend for keeping our campers and our travel trailers organized. And this was only $1.48. And it folds up and nice and small. Okay, on to our next thing. This is a camping storage tray. So it's got snaps on all four corners. So you snap the corners together like that. Aha! How clever is that? It feels like it's made out of a nice canvas. This might be nice to have sitting out just to throw things in, maybe like your keys or something like that. I can think of a lot of uses for this guy. This might be my new favorite thing. And this was $3.48. Ooh, what's it gonna be? I can't get the bag open. Oh, there we go. I guess I must have been thinking about food when I placed this order, because this is another silverware set, but this one is stainless steel and they're foldable. They're really tiny when you fold them up, so they're not gonna take up a lot of space. Yeah. So you've got a fork, a knife, a spoon, another spoon. I suppose when you want to get fancy dancy, maybe this is for a salad spoon. I don't know, what do you think? They're definitely small, but they're a nice size for travel, and it comes with chopsticks. I've never been able to figure out how to use these guys. And it comes with this little canvas bag to keep the silverware in. And this silverware set cost $4.48. I just counted and we've got 6 more things to go. This next item was one that I was really excited to get. It's another storage bag, but this one I think is gonna be bigger. Oh yeah. Ta-da! It's got handles. Oh, this is a good size storage bag. See how big that is inside? This bag is gonna come in handy for carrying things to and from my trailer. But it would also probably be a really good bag for storing tools. Yeah, this is a nice bag. And this bag cost $6.48. Hey, what's inside here? This is a wall-mounted storage box for things like chargers, like phone chargers. And these are the things you use to mount it to a wall. Oh, but I do think it has dividers too. Yes, came with dividers. See how you can place the dividers inside? You could definitely fit your phone chargers and all your electronic cords or anything else you wanted to store in here. And this was $7.18. We're down to these last 4 things. Open up this one. And it's another storage hanging basket. This guy hangs on your wall. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. This plastic part right here comes off, and then this part here will stick to your wall. And ta-da! This would be great for storing things in. It's always nice to use your walls for extra storage space. And this was $4.99. Okay, did I order more silverware? I think I did. This is another wheat straw utensil set. Got a knife, a fork, and a spoon. I like that they're not made out of plastic. And it's nice that it comes with the storage container. I think it's a win-win anytime we can store our silverware or anything in a container just to help keep us organized. And this was $2.48. Okay, the last 2 boxes. Oh, tea lights. I love tea lights for glamping up my campsite. And this came with 6 of them. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, why aren't you turning on? Yeah, I'm turning it on. And it's not turning on. It says on the back here that the batteries are rechargeable. I wonder if the batteries are dead? I don't know why they're not turning on. I like these guys. Shoot, that's disappointing. But I am gonna try to figure out how to recharge the batteries because maybe the batteries are just dead. And hopefully I can get these to work. This is maybe a failure. Well, I'm really glad that they do have a good return policy if I can't get these guys recharged. If these had worked, these might have been my favorite thing. These tea lights were $8.38. Okay, what's in the very last package? Oh my gosh. It's another food storage container like the one I had previously opened. I had forgotten that I ordered 2 of them. Yep, it's identical. But look, they're stackable. Yeah, these are definitely a winner. If you're watching this video, you must love finding affordable RV accessories like I do. That's why you need to watch this video next, because I have more cheap and useful things for you in my 15 best things you can buy on Amazon for under $30. So click on this video right here, right now, and I can't wait to see you over in this video next.